welcome back to my channel. This is Tyarrie Monique, and today I will be showing you guys how I go from being basic to a baddie. So this is me being basic, and then this is when I become a baddie. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your post notifications. So starting off, I'm going to take a brown color. I'm going to put that in my crease. To start off, I'm going for a neutral, natural, nude type of look, ombre type of look. You guys will see, so stay tuned. So yep, I'm just going to blend that brown color out. And then I will actually be taking a tan color and a cream color to put on my lids. This is the tan color. Just gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna take a cream color as well to apply to my lids, giving me that ombre effect, that nude ombre effect. And then this is the cream. Now guys, this is the palette that I'm using. I'm using the Morphe Nature Glow palette, as well as the Patrick Star Go Getter palette. Now I'm moving forward to my eyeliner. I am using an e.l.f. eyeliner. So I'm just gonna apply that. I'm not gonna do a wing for this look. Gonna do my other eye. Now moving on to lashes. Lately I have been loving thick, long lashes, so especially when doing my eyeshadow. So I'm applying some nice thick lashes, and it'll make my eyeshadow pop. Don't mind me. So I'm applying my other lash. Alright guys, both lashes are applied. Moving on to face, I will be applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that foundation and blend it out flawlessly on my face, get it melted into my skin. Guys, I just quickly picked this foundation up until I go to Sephora. Lately I've been using the Lancome foundation, but I ran out. So I decided to apply a little more. Gonna blend that out as well. Still blending. Sis, you gotta blend that makeup. You gotta blend it everywhere, your neck, everywhere. Now I'm gonna set my foundation with the Laura Mercier powder and my Real Techniques brush. Moving on, I will be doing my highlight with the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. So I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. Okay, also my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Just going to apply that. That highlight is just gonna make everything pop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my highlighter. My highlight. It's gonna be blending that out underneath my eye, my nose, my forehead, my chin, everywhere I applied it. So I decided to take my MAC Fix Plus spray so it can blend a little bit more effortlessly. blending it out. Gotta blend, sis. So I decided to add a little bit more concealer just because I felt like it. Gonna blend that out now. And I do take my concealer up on my temples. Now moving on, I will set my highlight with the Airspun loose face powder. This powder is really messy, guys, but I actually really like it. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, take my Airspun powder, and apply it to all of my highlighted areas and set it. So just showing you guys a quick look of my makeup. We're almost done. Love my eyeshadow, quick and easy. Now I'm gonna go to actually contour my nose a little bit. I'm not really too big on contour. I do it when I feel like it. So I'm actually gonna take a color from the Patrick palette and apply it to my nose. It's just like a dark brown, not too dark. Gonna blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with my MAC Fix Plus spray. So now I'm gonna move forward with my blush. I feel like it applies better after I set my face. So now I'm just gonna apply that. Moving on to lips, I am using the NYX Espresso lip liner, my favorite lip liner ever. This is actually my favorite lip combo, guys. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. Heaven. This color is heaven. It's everything. And then I'm gonna take my Victoria's Secret lip gloss in Candy Baby. I've been using this lip gloss since high school. Just playing with my hair, all up in the camera. All right, guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your post notifications to know when my next upload is.